Aja, ako John, neda. Ako John.
Jesus of Nazareth. Oh God. You're not taking me.
Ako John. Ako John.
La la.
Aja.
It's getting into your pocket.
Wake up video.
Gujja kulyola omutima gwe bagukyakuba.
Make ovaayo. Says Johnson. I'm scared. Just chill car. Wake up video.
You can talk in your language.
Yeah.
Miguel.
Go join them, I do for you.
Miguel.
Why are we even going to the head?
Take it off.
It's on your behind.
Oh, it's climbing, dude. It's gonna do that stuff.
What is it doing?
It's climbing.
You have to wash my hands.
This one you have to be relaxed and carry it. You see?
Jesus of Nazareth.
It has muscles, I tell you. This one is edible. You know, Chinese, they eat this.
Yeah, that's a good shot. That's a good shot.
They eat this. You can go put it on your Instagram.
Uncle John, for real.
He's brave.
I'm brave.
Why is it that I haven't given you the poisonous one? Because we only handle these ones that are.
But this one can. So you're on this is pure muscle.
Yeah, that is the one we call a constrictor.
It's coming for you.
Go closer,
How
guys.
do you calm it? How do you calm it?
No, it's okay. It is already calm.
Oh.
You want to try it alone?
What's his name? What's his name?
It's called the African rock python.
Does it have a name?
The movement is normal. It's alive. So Uncle John is like me. Me, as long as you tell me I won't die, I can.
Yeah, I can't die here.
Come see this shot.
I know. Well,
This is a nice one.
Tundi. John, content ndo hiyo. Content creator ndo hiyo.
It's gonna trend.
Eh.
You're gonna have followers. Go just put these on
I
your.
have 20.
We're too afraid.
Okay.
We're too afraid.
He's even sweating. Oh my God. The sweat came from nowhere.
It's just sitting is. Come on,
I'm fine with it.
Slowly. Jehovah Jireh is one, not to protect.
We are done with the tour. We are done.
Thank God.
Wow, at least you've done something extraordinary. Bye, Python.
And close for me.